Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a theorem related to differentiability. Concept or state of this theorem is if a function f is differentiable at x equal to c, then that will be continuous at that point. That means, meaning of this, if a function is differentiable at any point, then that function will be continuous also on that same point. Now, proof of this concept is, since f dash of c equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c upon x minus c. This is the given where x not equal to c. We have f of x minus f of c equal to f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c multiplied by x minus c. Now we write f of x minus f of c equal to, just write the same f of x minus f of c and multiplied by, in the numerator and denominator, x minus c into x minus c. Taking the limit x to c f of x minus f of c equal to limit f of x minus f of c upon x minus c into x minus c. By the algebra of the limit x tends to c, by the algebra of limit we can write this limit x tends to c f of x minus limit x tends to c f of c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c whole upon x minus c into limit x tends to c x minus c. Now if we apply the limit this in this function, so this will be limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c whole upon x minus c into, this will be 0, because if we apply the limit, write x c on the place of x, then this will be c minus c, this will be 0 into 0. Now, as you know that if you multiply it by 0 in any function or any number, then this will be always 0. That means limit x tends to 0 f of x minus the x tends to c f of x minus limit x tends to c f of c equal to 0. Therefore, limit x tends to c f of x equal to, transfer this limit on the right side, so this will be limit x tends to c f of c. If we apply this limit in this function, so this will be f of c. So we can write limit x tends to c f of x equal to f of c. By the definition of continuity, you can you have already studied, if value of function at the given limit is equal to value of function at that point, both are equal, then function is continuous. So we can say that given function is differentiable at given point, then that function will be continuous
नीचे गया
at same point. Now in the next video we will take next theorem related to differentiability.